Hi everyone, welcome to CodeViento. We are solving today Let Code 26 remove duplicates from sorted array. Let's read and understand the question together. Given a sorted integer array nums, modify it in place to remove duplicates value such that each unique element appear only once. The relative order of elements must be maintained. The function should return key, the number of unique elements. Modify numbers so that the first key element contains the unique numbers. The remaining elements don't matter beyond key. We use the two-pointer approaches with pointer 1, unique index, and pointer 2, index. Unique index keeps track of the last unique element's position. Index iterates through the array to check for duplicates. Let's check the example 1 together. Start with numbers equal 1, 1, 2, and unique index is 0. The index is 1. Compare the number 1 with number 0. They are duplicate? Yes. Skip. And compare numbers 2 with numbers 0. They are equal to each other. Number 0 element is 1 and number 2 element is 2. And they are not equal to each other. Unique. Increase the unique index from 0 to 1. And keep numbers 2 into the number 1. Final output is the first two elements of numbers is 1 and 2. And the result is unique index plus 1. It's 2. Let's solve the question in Java together. Let's define our first pointer, unique index, and it will be 0, and we will return as a result unique index plus 1. And don't forget to check beginning of the solution. If our numbers don't have an element, we will return 0. And let's iterate all the integer e. This is our second pointer. We will start with 1 and we will compare 0 and 1. E less than numbers length e plus plus. During the loop, what will we do? We need to compare if numbers unique index not equal numbers index, it means we found the unique element. So what will we do? We will set first we will increase unique index. Don't forget to increase it. Then we will set inside the increased unique index to numbers integer. Yes, this is our solution. Let's run the test and see the result. And run the test. Okay, all the tests are passed. Let's submit the solution and see the result together. And submit solution. Perfect. Our solution is run 100%. The time complexity of our solution is O(n), n is length of numbers, because we iterate all the numbers, and the space complexity our solution is O1, because we will solve in place into numbers. Okay, for more videos and solution, don't forget to subscribe and like friends. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.